About 6 months ago, we noticed some cracking in our garage walls, and also I noticed that the front wall of the garage started shifting, sinking literally. And then obviously when confronted with this problem, I started doing some research to determine basically who's going to fix this challenge, and talked to some engineers and made a decision that Helicon probably had the professionalism that I needed. The repair process was almost seamless. They said it would take 2 days. They came in, they did some prep work, they put the piers in place with the brackets. That took 1 day. The next day they came in, they hooked up all the hydraulics, and then I was blown away by the supervisor who said, I'm going to hook these hydraulics, I'm going to raise this wall 2 inches, and I'm going to move it back into its original position. He hit the hydraulics. Within 3 minutes, the wall shifted back into the original position. It was amazing. You know, I was a 30-year Marine, and I'm not easily impressed, but this was a top-notch crew. From the guy carrying all the heavy pipes to the supervisor. They were top-notch. They cleaned up after themselves daily, and it was a first-rate job. You know, from day one, I've been very impressed. Helicon, Casey Messer, their chief operations officer, came out, looked at my problem. He promised that he could return it to its original state. 3 weeks later, the crew came out once again. The chief promised he could make it happen. These were great. That was the goal, and they did it. They kept their promise. I would definitely recommend Helicon to any and everyone I know. They did a superb job. I have high standards, and they met them and frankly exceeded them.